Can you believe that it is projected that this year, this amount of money, $33.5 billion, is going to be spent during Mother's Day? And last year, actually, it was $35.7 billion. So this year, it has dropped. Why is this important to us? As these things happen like this, overcomers, we need to take advantage of it. Mother's Day is coming. We still have up till May. And so this month, I want us to get ready. Remember, this is our year to flourish. And so I'm going to be showing you 6 different products that you can take advantage of and create print-on-demand products. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, from creating the products, uploading it to a print-on-demand platform, now connecting it to your shop, and start advertising these products and selling. I wish this video that I'm creating today is a video that I had when I started my print-on-demand business. So by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your business fully. So for those who are new to the channel, what is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand is a business model that you can start with very little capital. Sometimes you can even start with 0 capital. Now, this business model, what you are going to do is that you just have to look for best-selling designs, put them on best-selling products, and now when you have these best-selling designs and best-selling products, you put them on a print-on-demand platform. What that means is that you are just creating your design and putting on that platform. Now, this company, you are going to connect it to your shop wherever you want to sell. You can have an active shop and you can have a passive shop. So wherever you want to sell your products, when you have made that connection, when anybody buys your product, it goes straight to the print-on-demand platform. They are going to print that product and then ship it directly to your customer. And so you don't have so much work to do. The most important thing that you have to do, that you have so much control over, is to create that high quality product that people are actually looking for, and which is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So when it comes to Mother's Day, this money that we are seeing here, $33.5 billion, most of it is going to be spent on gifts. And so we are going to take advantage of it and create products that mothers are actually looking for, products that people are willing to buy and give to their mothers as gifts. So I've already done my research and I know exactly the products I want, and I'm going to show you along the line how you could also do your research. But one of the things that you could do, you could go to Etsy, you could go to Amazon, you could go to TikTok and just search for any product that you want to create. So for the products that we are going to be making, you can go and search for any of them. I also know the kind of thing that I want. So some of the kind of designs that are selling so well are any design that has like funny slogans on them. So I want to create my own brand, my own shop that is going to have funny slogans for Christian women. So now I'm just going to come here to ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, go ahead and go to OpenAI and create an account completely for free. And now I've written something here, write funny short slogans for Christian women. Now I'm just going to click enter. So you can give any number that you want. Let's say you want 40, you want 50. The more designs you make, the better it's going to be for your business. So create as much as possible. I'm just showing you everything you need to know. So now it gave us 10. You can go ahead and even say 20. I'm just going to put 20 so that it can give us more. Then we can decide to choose whatever we want. So now let's look at some of the ones that ChatGPT has already given us here. So this one says, less sleep, more grace. This really looks funny. You are talking about children. If you have children, maybe you have less sleep. But now they are saying that more grace. That's a good one that I would really like. So look at this one. It says faith, diapers, and coffee. If you look, you will see so many of them. This one says pray more, yell less. So now what you can do is that this one says Holy Spirit activate. It's like maybe you have gotten to that point where your children are driving you crazy. So anyway, go ahead and look at them and see the ones you want. Let's say we are just going to pick anyone here. I'm just going to take this one that says pray more, yell less. So, and then we are going to use it as an example. The next thing I want you to do is to go to Kido. Kido is a designing platform that is revolutionizing print on demand. If you come here, you will see all kind of designs, and you can actually just take any of them, put your own design there, and use and sell anywhere without any copyright issues. You can even actually just take them just as they are and sell them, but of course you won't want to have the same exact thing that any other person have. So you just have to customize them. So you can go ahead and sign completely for free and follow me exactly step by step as I'm doing. But one thing that you have to know is that if you want to sell these products that you are creating, for you to be able to have copyright free, you can go ahead and use my code down below, Delphine YT, and then you are going to have 25% off for your monthly or yearly purchase. So now that we are on Kido, just come here where it says template and click here just like this, and then it's going to open this window. You can look at the number of designs that they have. There are just so many. is just amazing. So what I want you to do is just to come here, search for Mother's Day. So go ahead and type Mother's Day just like that, and then it's going to bring so many different designs that are related to Mother's Day here. So what I want you to do, the first thing is that come here. This is one of the designs that we are going to create, these tote bags. This is one thing that is in high demand, especially as Mother's Day is coming. You are going to have so much sales for this because people are going to be buying it and giving it as gifts to mothers. So now it's going to bring samples here. So I like this one. Let's go ahead and click on this one. So when you come there, you just double click on it like this. There's one of those slogans that I saw on ChatGPT that I feel like is going to go here perfectly. Let's go and check. So this one that says faith, diapers, and coffee. So what I'm going to do is that I'll just come here and I'll put faith on the first one. So this one up here that says mom, I'm just going to put faith there, and here I'm just going to put diapers just like that. So we see how it looks. It says faith, diapers, and then we have coffee in the middle. This is amazing. I like it. So now you can actually come here to this side. You can change the color to whatever you want, just like this. You can go ahead and change the color if you want it different, just like that. And just take your time and make sure that you are creating something that you like. Remember, I'm just showing you what you are supposed to do. So you can change anything that you want to change here. If I want to change the coffees, the coffee bean, I'm just going to come here and change it. And if you want to change the back too, if you want to change this dark color, you can just come here and then change it to any color that you want. But I actually like that one, so I'm just going to keep it there. So now when you are done with everything, I just want you to come here to where it says mock-up like this. So just come here and search for bags. It's going to bring so many samples. So let's take this as an example, and then you can put your design on it, and then you'll see how it looks. Overcomers, look at what we just created. So if I even knew that this lady was dressed like this, we could even match it. So that's a business idea. You can make your colors to match her design, so that when you take this as your template and then put it on your website, then it's going to match and it's going to make it look good. So now you just go ahead and do the same thing. Let's download this so that we can even use it for our mock-up. So we are done with that design. Let's go to the next thing. So right here, we can still come here and take something like candle. Let's go ahead and take something like candle. And now you can also look here and see any candle that you like. This is another thing that is going to be in high demand during this time, because people will be buying candles and giving to mothers. So now just go ahead and take the candle like this. Let's also put our design on it and see how it looks. So that is how it's going to look on our candle. I'm just going to also download it. So another thing that I want to show you, you can come here and also type something like pillows. This is also something that is doing very well. Now just go ahead and put it here also. So you can imagine how many designs have we already made just from this. So now when you create like 20, see how it looks on this pillow. It looks so pretty. Let me know in the comment section which one among them you like best. So now let's go ahead and also download it just like this. So let's go back again and still put Mother's Day here. So I want you to come here and take this one, invitations, so you can use it for like greeting cards. People are going to be sending like thank you messages. People are going to be sending this a lot. So it's something that is going to be in high demand. So another thing that I want you to do is just to come here where it says posters, and then you click here. It's going to bring different kind of posters here. So let's go ahead and just take this one for example. The amazing thing about Kido is that when you bring a design like this, it brings different design that looks similar to whatever you have here. So it's going to bring different designs right here. And you can still go ahead and search here, and if you see something else that you prefer, you just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to come this way. So now I'm going to take this one that says pray more, yell less. So let's go ahead and take that one, and now we can come here and then change whatever is here, and then we put as pray more, yell less. I really don't like the design, so I'm just going to change it to this one. So now I've just changed it to this one, and it says pray more, yell less, and then I'm just going to allow something here like mom at the end. So yeah, we can just put mom there, and then that's how it looks. And now, of course, the same thing, you can change anything that you want. So just like before, now that we have this here, we can come to mock-up here, and then we pick that exact one, then go to create a mock-up, and then see how it's going to look on a poster. So let's take any of them. Now we are just going to put it like this. So you see how it looks. Now the next thing that I want us to do is just to download our mock-up just like this. So let's go back to our design and actually download our design. So this one, we are just going to click here on export. And then when you click on export, you come here where you have 72. I want you to change it and put 300 so that it's going to have a higher quality. So another thing is that you click here where it says remove background and then also optimize quality, and then you export your product. So now I want to show you one more design. So come here where it says new project. I want you to come here, just go ahead and keep this standard and then go ahead and click create. So now you have a square something here. I want us to use this for pillows. Now you have a square template here. Come here where you see Kido AI. Now this is a new feature that Kido has just released. It is amazing, but let me know what you think about this feature. So go ahead and click on it like this. Now just come here to upload. If you have anything that you want to upload here, you go ahead and upload it. If you don't have anything that you want to upload, you can come here to Kido's template, search for anything that you want, any design, let's say a cat or anything. You can just look for any design that you want, and now you can download a design or screenshot it and then you upload it to Kido. So then I'll show you what to do. So now when you have had your design, so I have mine here already, I want you to come here, put anything that you want, let's say cat, and then I'm going to put something here like dog. I'm going to put something like elephant, and I'll put like lion. So put anything that you want, whatever thing that you want to design, and then I'm going to click on the sample. So what is happening is that this sample that I have here, this set generator is going to generate something that relates to this sample that I've put here. Now I'm just going to generate just like this. Another thing that I like to do, I'm just going to duplicate this so that I have 4 different places where I can put my product. So let's just go ahead and do this so that when it's ready, we have 4. So Kido has generated all of them. Look at them, they look so amazing. So now we have our cat here, we have our dog, we have our lion, and we have our elephant. So now how can you use this? One thing that I want you to do is that you can come here, take any text and put on it and use it for your Mother's Day product. You can take it, and so your shop is going to have customized products. Just like those pillows, for example. Imagine somebody wants to buy pillows and put exactly the same kind of designs in their house, but different things. Now, that is how this comes in. So let's go ahead and use one for a mock-up and then just see how it's going to display. So now if we come here, let's just go ahead and click on mock-up like this, and then we can use any of them. Let's take this cat and then we see how it's going to display. So let's come here, let's take pillow. Look at that. So that's how you can use these designs and then create similar designs like this for your shop. So just as always, you can come here and then go ahead and put 300 here before you download the product. So go ahead and download all your designs that you have created. Then I'm going to show you the next step, what we are going to do. So go ahead, I'm going to have a Printify link down below. Click on it and create an account completely for free. So when you sign up, you come here where it says catalog right here. And then you just come here where it says best-selling products. You are going to see so many best-selling products. When you are selling something like this, make sure that you come to the best-selling product, because these products are best sellers for something. And now just go here. So for example, this is one of the designs that we have. So when you click on the product like this, you are going to scroll down and you are going to see the dimensions. You are going to see any information that you need to know about the product. And now look at this. You see best-selling products again for the pillow. Look at this. Now you just go ahead and take the design that you want to create. So now you come here and click on start design. So now that we are here, come here to where it says upload. So upload your design like this. You can come here and select the kind of size that you want. Whatever size, you can go ahead and select it from here. And then you can always come here to preview so you can see how it looks. You can go ahead and put all your designs just like this. And when you do that, you can actually always come down here too and download a mock-up. You can put it on different places. Just click here and see how it looks. Click here, you are going to be able to see how the mock-up looks. Now, when you are done with everything, if you want to edit it more, you just click on edit. You can always come here and select different variation. If you want different colors, see that's white, you can come here and take black. And then let's go back and preview it and see exactly how the black looks. You see how it looks. You can preview it just like this. And now you can go ahead and download it too. And then when you are done with that, you go ahead and just save your product here. So another thing that I want you to do, you can also check the site. So now when you have saved it, you come down like this. You are going to see the title for your product. You go ahead, see what it is now. We already have the title here. AI has done everything for us. It says Faith and Coffee. Just go ahead and read it and see if you like everything that is there. If there is anything that you need to change, you go ahead and change it. And then everything is just there already. Now you also come here to the prices. So this is how much you are going to make for each product. Now it is 40% profit. You can go ahead, if you want to increase it, you can go ahead and put 60%. You can put any amount that you want, and you'll be able to see your profit that you are going to make for each product that you sell. Now here you can come here and choose different sizes. Just click here for any size that you want. You can also go and take any color that you want. When you are done with everything, you just go ahead and click here and publish. So what is happening now is that the product is right here. So what I want you to do is to come here now, right here, and now you are going to see different shops. Go here to where it says add a new store. Since you don't have a store, you can go ahead and connect it to Etsy. I've already shown you in this video how to connect it to Etsy. You can go ahead and connect to any of these places, and this same design that you've created, you can sell it on many different shops. You have no restriction on how many shops you can sell. So now what I want you to do is that you go ahead and click here on Shopify. So one thing that I want you to know is that as you create your business, as you move into 2025, having your own business, having your own shop is an amazing thing, because on Shopify you'll be able to get people's email, and so when you start creating your product, you'll be able to have those repeat customers. But when you have your product just on Etsy, now those customers on Etsy, they are Etsy customers, they are not your customers, because you will never meet them. So when you have your own shop, it is an amazing thing. And the good thing about it is that with Shopify now, and the good thing about it is that when you use my link down below, you are going to have Shopify for just $1 each month. So it's an amazing deal. For the next 3 months before May, you would have spent just $3 on your Shopify shop. When you click on the Shopify link down below, it's going to bring you here. You see you have 3 months of Shopify, just $1 each month. Go ahead and put your email address right here, and then you are going to start your free trial. You are going to start your free trial, and I have a complete video that I've done showing you step by step how to set up your Shopify shop. So when you've created your account, you are going to come here. You see where it says setting right here. You just click on these settings like this. Now you come here where it says domains, just like this. You come here, you are going to see this domain right here that says online store. This is the information you need. You are just going to come here, and then you copy this information just like this. So when you copy this information, go back now to Printify. So you come here to Printify, that's where you are going to paste this information that you just copy, and then you click here on connect. What will happen is that your Printify now is going to connect to Shopify, so that when somebody buys your product on Shopify, it goes directly to Printify, and now they are going to do everything for you. So after this, you just click here on where it says install, and then you are going to install it just like this. When you connect your Printify and your Shopify, any product that you design here and publish, it goes directly to your Shopify. So if you have not yet subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe. And if you are having any difficulties with your Shopify, I've already created this video that is going to show you everything you need to know to publish your products. And then if you have any question, if you have any difficulties, just go ahead and put in the comment section down below and let me know how I can help overcomers. Remember, this year is our year to flourish. I'm trusting God that we are going to flourish this year. Go ahead and declare it in the comment section that this year is my year to overcome and flourish. So I'm going to see you in the next video. It's been a while since we laid down.